Before we begin, close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Let it out slowly, feeling your body relax with the exhale. Allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position. There's nothing you need to do right now, except to be present in this moment, fully relaxed and fully here. With each breath, you're releasing any tension or worry, letting go of all that has come before this moment, and allowing yourself to simply be. As you breathe in, feel a sense of calm filling your body. And as you breathe out, feel your mind growing quiet. Let yourself sink deeper into a state of peaceful relaxation. Now imagine yourself standing in the front of a large ornate door. This door is the entrance to the Hall of Mirrors, a place where you will explore different reflections of yourself. Each mirror inside holds a part of your identity. Each reflection carries wisdom, knowledge, and uniqueness. So as you take a breath in, the door slowly opens. Step forward and find yourself inside a vast hall, lined with mirrors as far as the eye can see. Each mirror softly glowing, inviting you to look within. You are safe here. This is a space of self-discovery, where you can explore and embrace all the parts of who you are. So take a step towards the first mirror. As you stand in front of it, you see a reflection of yourself. But this is not just the you that the world sees. This reflection holds a part of you that is wise and strong. A version of yourself that has faced challenges and grown from them. So take a moment to gaze into this reflection. Feel the strength radiating from it. Know that this part of you exists within. So embrace it with gratitude. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel this reflection becoming a part of you. Now, slowly walk to the next mirror. In this reflection, you see another aspect of yourself. Perhaps it's the creative side of you, or the playful, joyful version of yourself. Whatever you see, know that this reflection carries its own unique wisdom. So smile at this reflection. Embrace it as a vital part of who you are. So take another deep breath. And as you exhale, let this reflection merge with the first one. So continue walking through the hall. With each step, you come across another mirror. And in each mirror, you see a new side of yourself. The caring and nurturing part of you. The adventurous, curious part of you. The part that dreams, and the part that listens deeply. With each mirror, you take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, you embrace and integrate that reflection. Each one merging into the whole, until all these reflections are no longer separate, but part of a unified, complete you. So feel the strength, wisdom, joy, and creativity from each reflection flowing together inside you, becoming one powerful, unique version of yourself. Now take a step back and look around the hall. All the mirrors are still there, but instead of separate reflections, you see only one now. One mirror that holds the full image of who you truly are. All the aspects you've explored, all the different sides of you. They have come together into one unified reflection. So stand in front of the final mirror and see yourself as a whole being, strong, creative, wise, loving. You are complete, just as you are. Every part of you contributes to the whole. Each part is valuable, beautiful, and necessary. So take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel a deep sense of peace, a sense of connection within yourself, knowing that you are complete and that all parts of you are aligned. So as you stand in front of this final reflection, take a moment of gratitude. Gratitude for the journey you've just taken. Gratitude for all parts of yourself that you've embraced today. Know that you can return to this hall of mirrors whenever you need to remind yourself of your wholeness, your uniqueness, and the strength that comes from embracing all aspects of who you are. Now take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow the image in the mirror to fade. then slowly, the hall of mirrors begins to fade as well, bringing you back to the present moment. So feel the surface beneath you. Feel the steadiness of your breath, and know that even in this moment, you carry the wisdom of all your reflections with you. So when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to stretch your body. And step forward into the rest of your day, knowing that you're whole and you are enough. Good work today. Namaste.